Welcome to the first lesson in our QuickBooks Online Basics course. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the right subscription level for your QuickBooks Online account so you aren't overpaying for features that you don't need. So what we'll cover, we're going to review all the new subscriptions that are available to you in 2025. I'm going to show you how to snag a lifetime discount up to 30% off the retail price. And we're going to talk about how to upgrade or downgrade your subscription if your needs change. So at the moment, you have 4 tiers of QuickBooks Online that are available to you. We have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Now these prices could change at any time, and like I mentioned, I'm going to show you how to get a discount or a good deal on your subscription anyway. So Simple Start. This is great if you are a sole proprietor, an LLC, a partnership, or just a small business. It has everything you need to track your revenues and expenses and generate the key reports that you're going to need for your tax return. So typically your tax preparer is going to ask you for your profit and loss statement. They might ask for your balance sheet, and they're going to want your general ledger. And all of those reports are available for you automatically in QuickBooks Online with a Simple Start subscription. Now there are also some other cool features that you may or may not need, like tags. So if you have custom reports that you want to create, tags can be a great way to create additional filters and help you customize your reports. Or if you need to set up recurring payments or subscription payments, you can actually do that with a Simple Start account. Now Essentials is the next level up, and you would want to upgrade to Essentials if you need additional users. So the Simple Start includes 1 user, but if you need up to 3 users, then you'll have to upgrade. You also have additional reports available to you, and you can turn on multiple currencies. So if you do business in different currencies, maybe you have a US-based business but you sell to Europe, or you have bank accounts in Canada and the United States, or whatever it might be, if you need multiple currencies, you'll have to upgrade to Essentials. You can also track your billable hours by customer. So for those of you who have customers that you do billable time for, this is a great option for you. Now the Plus account is good if you have employees, and you'll want to upgrade if you need things like budgets or inventory tracking or project tracking. None of those features are available in the lower subscriptions. You also might consider upgrading the Plus if you need up to 5 users instead of 3. Now, this is the subscription level that we will be demonstrating throughout this QuickBooks Online Basics course. And the reason why we're going to demonstrate with a Plus account is because there's actually a free sample company that Intuit provides online, and the one that they provide just happens to be a Plus account. All right, now QuickBooks Online Advanced. This has everything in Plus, but you can have up to 25 users. So if you are a large company, Intuit is trying to dip their toe into working with bigger companies. They historically have focused on small business owners, small businesses who are either DIYing their bookkeeping or have fairly simple bookkeeping needs and are hiring bookkeepers. So Advanced is their latest edition. It has up to 25 users, custom access controls, automated workflows, automated revenue recognition, fixed asset accounting, advanced budgeting and forecasting, KPI tracking, and you can monitor your estimates versus actuals in projects. It also has a data sync feature with Excel, which is very cool, but again, most small businesses don't need any of that. Now, if you are a small business owner looking to set up your QuickBooks Online account and you're open to the idea of working with a QuickBooks Pro Advisor, we actually, as QuickBooks Online Pro Advisors, can get 30% off the retail price of a QuickBooks Online subscription for life. So if you are at all considering that, even though you're doing this course to learn how to DIY your books or to get yourself familiar with QuickBooks, I just want you to bear this in the back of your mind that we can set up a brand new account and get 30% off. However, we cannot give the discount on an existing account. So if you are thinking at all about hiring a bookkeeper instead of doing it yourself, I would say finish this course first and then decide what you'd like to do, because if it's a brand new account, we can get that 30% off. There's other discounts that you also don't know about as a small business owner that we as pro advisors can get. So we have an additional subscription option called Ledger, and it's just $10 per month, but it's extremely basic. And if I recall, you can't even work in your own books if it's Ledger. So only accountant users can set up Ledger. But if I have really small clients who maybe thought that they couldn't afford QuickBooks or they couldn't afford a bookkeeper, this is a great option. And so I just want to make sure that you're aware. So if you decide to go the route of hiring a bookkeeper, you know, hey, I need to ask them if this Ledger option is a good choice for me. Now, whatever subscription level you choose, you can always upgrade or downgrade. So all you have to do if you change your mind, you need additional features or you don't need features that you're currently paying for, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Then you'll just click on the gear icon on the top right and then click on settings. And under that, there should be the option for subscriptions and billing. Now, you'll want to ensure your payment information is up to date. It won't let you make changes otherwise. And then you can select upgrade your plan or downgrade your plan. And just review the available options and select the plan that you want, and then you'll just follow the prompts to change your plan. So even though there are lots of other options out there, I only work with clients using QuickBooks Online, and here's why. So despite the fact that prices have increased every single year since I've been using QuickBooks Online, and they keep changing menu options or layouts or just making these kind of annoying little changes, it's still the best option for most businesses. So I've explored Xero, I've explored Zoho Books, I've looked at Wave, I've looked at FreshBooks. There's so many other options out there. QuickBooks Online is just ahead of the curve, and they have a much larger budget for R&D. So QuickBooks Online, if you get stuck, there's a lot more support available because so many people know how to use QuickBooks Online. They've spent a lot of money on marketing. They've really dug in and positioned themselves. And so I periodically check out all of the other softwares. I go through them to see if they've caught up. And so far, I still find that QuickBooks Online for almost every business that I work with is still the best option. All right, so once you've decided on which subscription level makes the most sense for you, our next step is to go ahead and set up your QuickBooks Online account.